few more days till Christmas. Need something to get you into the mood? And boy, do we have the stuff for you. TJ Records and GVI Films presents 7 Nights of Christmas. From the 17th to the 23rd of December, some of your favorite local Pacific artists will be jamming out Christmas vibes for you. What are you waiting for? Get your calendars and put these dates down now. And if that's not enough, we also have International Night, where we'll be able to hear from some of our favorite artists from the islands of Samoa. So come on, tell all your friends and family about it, and we'll see you guys there. Manuel Carisimas.
I le suafa man malo le tātou ma teisili le langi o le na alofa mai i le lalolangi. E ala lea i le alo pele e tō tasi, le pepe o le kilisimasi. Mātou te whaatalofa atuai ma le awa tele i lau whaafonga Samoa. Ma lo le soifua, ma lo le langi mama. Sunga fo i whaafea ngainga so se whata whaitau langa. Ea, o le nei aso sa au tō whea ngai ai mo tō whaiva. Ia wha ma lo le pale, wha ma lo le tautua i le tua. E ala i le